Okay. Okay. Hello friends. Today we'll know how to set up a page in MS Excel before printing. So today I will share my experience how to set up your page before printing in MS Excel. So let's begin. First, this is my MS Excel project. So here's my written is ready. Okay, my file is okay. Now I will go for printing. Before printing I will go for print preview. So click here to print, then click on print preview. So look at this setup is not ready to printing. If you print this area will blank and this area is print. That's why we go for press setup, right? Okay, then go for click on page setup, then click on page. Look at these, there is two options, portrait and landscape. So I will go for portrait, then go for adjust to fit to. Okay, no, okay, adjust to. Okay, paper size A5, not paper size A4. Okay, then go for margin. Okay, then click on horizontally, click on vertically. Okay, not vertically, not need. And then header and footer. Okay, okay, header and footer is okay. Sheet, I will go for print area, rows repeated tab. Okay, all right, then click on go. Okay, okay, this is your page. Now go to page setup, click on adjust to, upside click to change. This is 100%. Click on 100%. Okay, then okay. Okay, look at this. Okay, now just adjust for your. Okay, 70. Okay, 65. Okay, okay, 60. Okay, now your page is ready to print. Okay, so this is the process. So this is the process for page setup. Now go on page setup, you can header footer. Okay, custom footer. Okay, okay, there already have added a page. And now click and close, then go for print and print preview. Look at this is your page. Now go for print and okay to print. So thank you very much for your time.